Foundry Bean Global Work System is an all-inclusive business management solution that enables organizations to automate business processes. As every business is different, companies use various sources and systems to get and validate data as part of their offerings. For example, credit card companies use credit scores to issue new credit cards and utilize data from credit reporting agencies. Foundry Bean APIs are designed to enable businesses to integrate with other systems effortlessly. For example, you have a new customer in your CRM system or your online store. It might be nice if that customer information was automatically entered into Foundry Bean system for further processing in downstream apps such as processing sales order or creating invoice. Or another case. An order comes into your online store. It would be awesome if it would just appear in Foundry Bean system without logging and manually typing it in. And then automatically create invoice and send email invoice to customers for payment. You bill your customer, and you want your billing information to come to Foundry Bean system for revenue recognition and financial reports, or creating ARR or MRR. Or maybe none of the reports fulfill a certain need, and you'd like to just automatically pull certain data or all data out of Foundry Bean system and put it into, say, a Google Sheet or Excel file. And the list goes on from simple tasks to complex ones, and the answer is API. API is the acronym for Application Programming Interface that allows two applications to talk to each other. The complete API specification is provided in Postman, and you can visit postman.com/foundrybean for all APIs. Foundry Bean REST API provides users with a powerful, convenient, and simple web services API for interacting with Foundry Bean applications. Foundry Bean APIs allow you to programmatically create, receive or update data in Foundry Bean system from other applications. It also allows other external applications to receive data programmatically from Foundry Bean system. To integrate with Foundry Bean API, you need to create a connected app for your application. Create a connected app Foundry Bean by visiting Integration module. Click the integration list and create the security provider Foundry Bean. Provide your username and password in Foundry Bean system. Foundry Bean follows OAuth 2.0 for authentication protocol with grant type as password. You can create your own client ID and client password for the apps. Access token will be granted upon validation and can be used to access all resources. To get the authentication token, enter login URL in any client such as Postman or directly in your application. In the Authorization tab, enter login URL as HTTP post request and enter client ID and client password as defined in the connected app Foundry Bean. In the body of the request, enter grant_type as password and provide your application username and password. Send the request and you should get authentication token as a response. Use this authentication token while calling REST APIs. To test the REST APIs, visit postman.com/foundrybean and select the request. Select bearer token as authorization type and add the token. Now send the request and you should see the result. For more information about REST APIs, visit foundrybean.com/solutions/API.